right? So you can just unmute, say hi, and so let's just do a quick introduction. So everybody's going to speak, right? Except you are in a noisy place where you cannot speak. So you're just going to unmute. Then when I call your name, you unmute, you say, you introduce yourself, where you are based, what you do for a living right now before discuss. So we're just going to do that. Your name, your location, what you currently do, and probably what you hope to achieve with this course, right? So let's quickly do it that way. So I'm just going to start with David. So David, just quickly introduce yourself. I'm going to ask you to unmute. So quickly unmute, introduce yourself, then I move to the next person. We're just going to do it like that, like that, like that. David KB, you can go first. David. Okay, so if David cannot go, let me call someone else. Let me call Isaiah. So Isaiah, just introduce yourself, where you're joining from, and what you do. Isaiah, this is a class. It's not a webinar. Okay.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Yeah, you're blessed. I'm calling from Abuja. I stay in Abuja. FCT.
Okay.
I'm a chartered accountant, man. This somebody said.
Okay.
I can't remember. So I'm a fellow.
Did you tell us your name?
My name is Isaiah Omede.
Isaiah what?
Omede.
Okay, okay. Amazing.
OMD. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. All right. Okay, David, are you
Yes.
good now? Okay. Okay, let me take another person. Let me take Dorcas. Dorcas, you can unmute.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Good, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, everybody.
Yeah.
My name is Choma Dorcas. I'm based in Lagos. I'm a student and also a brand partner with Oriflame.
You're also a brand partner with what?
Oriflame.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
All right. Dorcas Choma. Next person, let's make it fast. Saeed. This one is my person. All right.
Good evening to you, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, my name is Olayanju Said Lanre. I base in Ibadan, the world to be precise, and I'm a finance and investment sales executive of a private finance house.
Okay, nice. Nice. Okay. Who else? Who else? Who else have I not asked to unmute? So you can just, if I've not really called you, okay, I've not called Chine. Okay, Chine, she just came in. So just unmute and introduce yourself. Chine, unmute and introduce yourself quickly. Chine.
Good evening. No.
Ah, your voice.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes, good evening.
Let me say, my name is Chine from Owerri.
Okay.
7.
What do you do?
I'm a civil servant.
Civil servant is not a job now. There are so many fields under civil service.
I work with National Orientation Agency.
I didn't get that.
So I work with National Orientation Agency as a program officer.
Thank you. Thank you. Amazing. You're welcome, Chinaya. Amazing. Okay. All right. Who else? Who else? Who else? A lot of new people are coming in, so I'm not going to wait any more longer. So we're just going to get started with what we want to do today. All right. So for those of you that have never met me before, my name is Lex Olowu, and I am a digital marketer. So I've been doing this for a while. I've helped companies get customers online, right? That's what I do mostly. So I try to help companies dominate the online space. and also help them get as many customers as they can possibly handle, right? And in this journey, I've done a lot of things. I've sold products, digital products, physical products. I've worked as an affiliate, and so many other stuffs, right? And then I also became a partner with Digital World Tech Academy. Digital World Tech Academy is a institute that teaches people different tech programs, right? So they have all kinds of tech programs that is offered in Digital World Tech Academy. And I'm one of the people that takes the digital marketing course. So today, I am going to be taking this first session. So the first session where I'm going to be taking today is not the main class, right? So we're going to talk about some things that you hope to achieve. I'm just going to see how we can infuse that into the course and all this kind of stuff. But the main reason why we're on this platform today is to show you how to use the videos that have been sent to your mail, right? How to access it and to show you what to do about it, right? So some videos have been uploaded on that platform and more are being uploaded step by step. So the ones that have been uploaded, you can start going through them now. You can start going through them and start applying them to your businesses already. So the class itself is going to start on Tuesday. So we're going to start the class on Tuesday. Mr. Olawelt is going to be live with you on Tuesday, and he's going to be showing you some amazing stuff into the introduction to digital marketing, right? He's going to take that next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. Then subsequently, all the fields that we showed you guys, we're just going to cover them one after the other, right? So now, let me quickly share my screen so that we are on the same page. Okay. All right. So I'm sharing my screen now, and I hope everyone here can see my screen. Okay. Okay. So the email sent to you is from selar. So the email sent to you is from selar. Now, once we activate it from our end, so Digital World Tech Academy. So once we activate it from our end, you would see an email like this. So how many of you can see my screen? I want to be sure you can see my screen before I go ahead. If you can see my screen, go to the chat box and let me know, yes, you can see my screen. Okay, okay. All right, so in this class, it's a class, don't be far from your chat box so that we can interact. That's how it's gonna be. Okay, so this is how, so when you open the selar, you are going to look out for this mail. So you just go to the Gmail you sent to us, right? The Gmail you filled in that form, you're just going to go to that mail and check. So once you check, you open it, it's going to look like this, right? So you can see, so this says, hello, Lex Olowo, right? Thanks for your purchase, right? Thanks for your purchase. The product you bought is a course. Click on the link below to access it, right? Click on the link below to access it. So if I click on, so all I just have to do is to come here and click on access course, right? So once I click, it's going to load. It's loading, right? So once it loads, it is going to load my purchase receipt, right? So this is going to load a purchase receipt for the course you paid for, right? So it's just going to load it like this. So all you have to do is just come here and click on access course, right? So all you have to do is just come here and click on access course. So if you click on access course, now you are going to see this message. Accessing this course requires a seller account. Do you have one? If you already have a seller account, click on yes, login. If you do not have one, click on no, create an account, right? So if you are in our data analysis course or in our web development course, you probably already have a seller account, right? So if you're in any of these courses, you probably already have a seller account. So all you just need to do is to go ahead and click on yes, login. But if you are not, if you have never bought any course before from us or from any other person using seller, you do not have an account. So what you need to do is say no, create an account. So I'm just going to click on create an account. No, create an account. And it's going to redirect me. Now, once it redirects you here, don't get confused. Don't get confused. All you just have to do is scroll down and use Gmail, right? So what I want you to do is before you get to this stage, make sure that the browser you are using is already logged, is a Gmail, like a Chrome, where you already have logged in a Gmail, right? So it makes it very, very easy for you to be able to access the course. So I'm just going to click on this Gmail, right? This Google logo, right? I'm just going to click on it. And once I click on it, it's going to show all the emails you have on that browser. So it's going to show all the emails you have on that browser. Now, you are going to choose the email you want to access the course with, right? Of all your emails, right? So make sure it is the same email that we sent Acess to, right? The same email we sent Acess to is the same email you are choosing, right? So we're just going to click on this now. Voila. So once I choose the Gmail, it opens up like this. It's going to ask you, right? Are you a creator? Are you an affiliate? Or are you a customer? I bought a course. Choose this last one, right? I am a customer. I bought a product on seller, right? I'm a customer. I bought a product on seller. That's the one you should choose, right? So once you choose, I'm a customer. I bought a product on seller. You go ahead. So it's going to open up like this, right? And you say you have nothing yet, right? You don't have any purchase yet. So what you do is after you get to this point where you say you don't have any purchase yet, go back to that your email now. If you can get to this point, go back to that your email and click on access course again, right? Go back to your email, click on access course again, then access the course again from there. Just click on access course again. Just access the course from there. So once you access it again, the course is going to show up here, right? This time around, it's going to show up. So you see it, this is the course, right? So this is the course. So as you can see, right now we have introduction to selling, we have introduction to Facebook page. Look at it now. So I can just play this one now. The last time you made an important purchase, maybe you bought a phone, or you hired an expert to do something for you, maybe change, right? So this is what is inside the course, right? So when you are done with this video, there is a box here. So click on it so that it marks that you are done with that one, right? So when you are done, just click on that box so that it ticks that you have finished that one. Then you go to the next video. Like this one now is how to create a Facebook page, right? So if you already know how to create a page, you don't have to watch it, right? So right, so that one teaches you how to create a page. When you're done with that one, you can go to the next one. This one teaches you how to find a winning product on Ads Library. So all these ones are on Facebook, right? So your Facebook audience insight is to go to www.facebook.com/. Right. So when you're done with that one, so step by step, you can follow through. Right. So let's say you want to deposit money into your other account. How do you do it? So come to this part here where you see this three lines, call it all tools, right? All twos. So more videos are being uploaded, right? Somebody say, I can't hear you. Guys, can you hear me? Let me even see if it's connected to his audio. No. Okay. Can you guys hear me, or my sound has gone off? Nobody can hear me. Okay, great. Said say loud and clear, my man. All right, so that's simply how to assess the course, right? That's simply how to assess the course. So all you just have to do is to follow those steps. So quickly, let me recap for those of you that didn't get it. Let me quickly recap again. So when you check your email, you would see a mail like this from seller. All you have to do is click on that mail and click on access course, right? If you click on access course the first time, it will show you a receipt like this. So first of all, access the course from that receipt. Now, the first time you are doing it, it would not take you directly. It will show you something like this, that you don't have any purchase yet. So don't panic. All you just have to do is to go back to the mail again after you have logged in with your Gmail, right? And now click on access course the second time. Then your course is going to show up, right? Once you click on this now, your course is going to show up and you're going to see everything inside it, step by step. And I'm going, all right? Everything is there for you. Okay, so that's that with that. Okay, so quickly, let's talk about what we hope to achieve from the course. I'm just going to be, you can raise your hand. You can raise your hand and ask any questions you have about this course we want to get started on Tuesday. Any questions we have, any questions you have about how it's going to look like, the timing, what's going to be inside the course, the test, the whatever. You can ask questions about anything. So while we are waiting for people to ask questions, quickly raise your hand if you have any question about the course or what I've just shown you now that you do, if you don't understand, right? If you have any questions, raise your hand. But while we're waiting for any questions, let's continue the introduction section. So let's take Adekunle Alaba. So you can unmute, introduce yourself, where you are joining from and what you do, right? Adekunle Alaba. You can unmute. Okay, so after Adekunle, I'm going to take Akinola Muyiwa. After Akinola Muyiwa, I'm probably going to take who again? Is this Fini? Nah. Finan. Okay. Okay, Finan. Adekunle, go ahead. You can unmute. Okay, so maybe Adekunle is in a noisy place. Let's take the next person, Akinola Muyiwa. You can unmute.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
My name is Akinola Olumuyiwa. I'm from Ibadan here. I work with a fintech company as a field support officer and also a sales agent. Thank you.
Great, amazing. Okay. Dorcas wants to ask a question. Let me allow you on mute.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, concerning the videos you sent,
Yeah.
I got to this stage of where you can this your payment stuff, where you can add payment or add your card or something. So I got to that place where they are supposed to let me add my card, but they did not.
For
I was
Facebook
tapping and
ads.
tapping. Sorry?
For Facebook ads.
Yes, the Facebook ad.
You don't start already. So you have already started watching the videos.
Yes, I'm trying to add my card and I can't add the card.
Amazing.
I'm having issue with.
Amazing, 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 amazing. Okay, so quickly, let me answer your question. Let's not be like you asked a question and I'm pushing you till when we start next week. So quickly, let me just quickly show you. Right, we are going to do Facebook ad in class, right? But just to help you solve that problem quickly, let me show you what you can quickly do. So when you're running Facebook ads, so the reason why I am not actually teaching in this course is because some people are doing our data analysis class, and today is a day that it clashes with the data analysis class. So even if I said after showing you this first phase of how to assess the course, even if I said let me just teach one or two things, so many people would have missed, right? Okay, so when you are running on Facebook, so this is Facebook. When you want to run ads on Facebook, all you have to do is go to your ads, right? You go to ads, or you look for how you can locate the ads manager, right? On this other side, you can see ads manager, right? So you're just going to click on ads manager. Once you click on ads manager, it's going to load like this. It's going to load like this.
What I have on my page is this ad center.
Oh, okay. What you
I don't have that, so
okay, okay.
I tried using the ad center, it didn't work, so I had to go to www.facebook.com.
Oh, okay. So the video you're watching, was it my class? Was I the one teaching?
Yes, yes.
So, and I was teaching how to the 3 different ways you can run ads. You can run from ad center, you can run from ad manager, right?
Yes, I think so, yeah.
Okay. Let me quick. So now the simple answer to your question is can you see any Naira payment method?
Yeah, the
So
payment is automatically on Naira.
choose the Naira payment method. Do not choose that
It's
one.
already on Naira.
Let me show you. Look at this. When you want to make payments, like if you come to billing, so but your own is going to be different. Let me just show you how it will look like. Now, when you want to make payments, so like this now. So when it shows up like this, are you getting me?
Yeah.
So usually it's going to be like 3 options. So the first option will be like this debit card or credit card. Second option will be this Naira MasterCard. Then the third option will be Facebook ad credit, something like that, right?
Yeah.
Choose this one, this Naira payment with Master and Visa / Visa.
That's the one I choose.
Right? So once you choose this one, click on next. Don't choose this one up, don't choose that. So once you choose this one, click on next. Right?
That's exactly the one I choose.
Okay. So once you choose that one, it's going to open up like this. Then you click on continue. It didn't pop up like this.
No, it's just showing me amounts. Add to that's 4,500.
Okay.
Amount to add 4,500.
So after that, what happens next?
Okay, let me next. It is loading.
Okay, somebody.
Add fund.
Okay. Somebody is saying that he cannot find the video in his mailbox. Isaiah, I have sent the video to everybody. But if you cannot find it, drop your email now, and I'm going to send it to you right now. So drop your email in the group, and I'm going to do it now for you while we're on this class, Just
what it's showing is open Naira payment with MasterCard or Visa.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
I can't go further anymore.
Are
That's the problem.
Are you joining this meeting with the same device that you're using to do that stuff?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to make you I'm going to allow you share your screen. Share your screen now. Do you know how to share your screen on Zoom? Now, if you are using a phone or a laptop?
iPad.
Okay, so go scroll down. You would see how you can share a screen. You will see something like share on that Zoom tab where you see participants, all those stuff.
Mm.
Can you see it?
No.
Share. Can't you see share?
No. Invite, lower or hands, mute or ask or to unmute. I can't see share.
Let's share there. Let's share there. Or new share.
Under the participant.
No, not under participant. The same line where you see participants, where you see chats, where you see other things.
Oh.
You see something like share or new share. You can't find it.
Okay, share content.
Okay, share. So after you see share, then you choose screen.
Start broadcast.
Okay, start broadcast. Have you started broadcast?
Yeah, it's still rotating.
Okay, yes, we can see your screen now. Okay, so go ahead. So just okay, so click on this Naira payments visa, click on that button.
I'm clicking on it, it's not going.
It's not going.
Mm.
This button where you see Naira payment with Master and Visa.
Yeah.
It's
You
not
can
working.
see I'm tapping. No.
Slide your phone. Slant it. It's not
Oh,
working.
I should.
So wait, once you are clicking on that button, it's not working, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So don't worry, it's not a big issue. Don't worry. It's probably an error. Don't worry, it's not a big issue. Right? So you can stop sharing. Don't worry, it's not a big issue. So as we roll, when we start Facebook ads, you will understand how to go about it. It's not a big issue. But if I start explaining now, it will take time. Right? So it's not a big issue. So that's amazing. I'm very happy that you are already going through the course, and I'm very, very happy about that. So keep the spirit. There's a lot in that. There's a lot for us to learn already while we
I
roll.
actually wanted to run ad. That's why.
Oh, you want to run an ad?
Yeah.
Okay, send me a DM. I will attend to you privately.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Okay. All right, everyone. So let's any other person that has something to say? Any other person? Any other person? Any other person that wants to raise his or her hands? Okay. I'm coming. I'm going to allow you on mute briefly. I'm just trying to attend. So Benedict, you can check your email now, whether you have gotten access. Okay. Mr. Said, you can go ahead. You can unmute, Mr. Said. I'm coming. Mr. Said, you can unmute.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right.
What I want to ask is based on LinkedIn.
Okay.
So I need video for the LinkedIn. So I've sent a mail to you, or maybe a chat to you already on that, and I've not seen it.
When did you send the chat to me?
That was day before, if not yesterday, it will be on Thursday, because
Okay.
I saw somebody sending, so I followed that person from my own LinkedIn. The person sent another thing, so me is LinkedIn, so I sent my own.
Okay,
And
Mr.
some people just join my own.
Okay, nice. Send me a WhatsApp message immediately after this class. I'll reply you. You know that class is a different class from this one, right? Right. All right. Okay. So any other person? Any other person? So okay. So for those of you that are just joining us, you have missed a lot. So I was just showing us how to access the course on Selar and how to use it. So if you're just joining, not to worry, I would send the recording, the recorded version, so that you can watch it and you can know how you can access the course that has been sent to your mail, right? Now, if there's any other person here that is yet to get access to the course, kindly indicate by dropping your mail in the chat box, and access is going to be sent to you immediately, right? Access is going to be sent to you immediately. So I want to believe that every other person has gotten. This person, I'm coming. Okay, Grace is raising her hand. I'm coming. I'll be with you shortly. Uh-huh. So Isaiah, you can check now. Okay. Okay, Grace, you can unmute. Grace Ian, you can unmute. Grace Ian. Grace Ian. Grace Ian.
Hello, good evening.
Yes,
Sir.
good evening.
Okay, it's Benedict on the line.
Okay, Benedict, go ahead.
Yes, please. I actually was in the class when you are talking about the selar.co. I have understood all you said about that. Then I missed out. The network shoot me out when I don't know when you talk about the pay you.
Okay.
Yes, please. I would like to elaborate more on it. Thank you.
Okay, no, don't worry about that part. Don't worry about that part. That's what we are going to treat in class. So we're not there yet. Somebody that was going through the videos asked a question and I just answered that question. So don't worry, those are things that we're going to learn step by step, right? Okay. So Benedict, do a proper introduction. Let me allow you to introduce yourself. Unmute. Introduce yourself, where you're joining from and what you do. Let's just take a few more before we go. You can unmute. So after Benedict, we're going to take Simon. Simon, you can unmute in the absence of Benedict, if Benedict is not going on. Grace Inyang, I was allowing you to unmute now. You dropped your hand. You can also unmute now.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Simon, go ahead.
Okay. Okay. I just joined the class. I was unable to connect due to bad network. Yes.
Okay.
Then I have a seller account before now.
Okay.
So I only saw the email you sent to me on how to access the course.
Okay.
So when I to log in, it took me to the former course I have registered on the seller.
Okay, so what you
So I
would
don't
just
know how
do, is go back to your email, make sure that the seller account is open, then go back to your email and click on access course. So once you click on access course,
Okay.
make sure you're using the same browser you used to open the email. It will show up. The second
Okay.
course will show up.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Grace. Grace. Okay, let me allow everybody to. Grace, you can unmute. Grace, you can unmute. Grace Ian, you are chatting, but you're not talking.
Okay, okay. I've unmuted. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay, what I just wanted to say that I didn't get the mail.
Till now?
So yes, till now. So I'm on my box. I'm in my box. So that's
Okay,
why.
drop your email again. Drop it in the chat box. Let me copy it and do it now.
Okay.
Okay, Benedict.
Hi, greetings to you, everyone. It's Benedict on the line.
Yeah, well done.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, you asked I should introduce myself.
Yes,
okay,
please.
My name is Benedict. I live in Lagos, and I'm a part of the course actually.
Okay, so the introduction is
Decided
your
to start.
name, where you are based, and
Okay.
what you do.
Sorry, come again.
Your name, where you are based, and what you do.
Okay, I am Benedict Ehirim. I actually based in Lagos. Then I'm a student, but now I'm an undergraduate because I'm no longer schooling. So
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
So I am actually hoping on this course, to see how good I will and how far we'll go with it. Then maybe focus on it for.
All right, that's nice.
Sure.
Nice. Benga Abdul. You can unmute.
Yes, good evening.
Yes, good evening.
Well done. Thank you for the job well done.
You share the same name with my engineer.
Oh, really? Wow.
Same first
Oh,
name,
nice
same
one.
second name.
Nice one. Good to hear that. Well done, sir.
All right.
Yeah, my question is, I had one of my colleagues there, one of my fellow students, asking questions about link being sent to her mail. I'm just joining. I don't know what's actually all about,
Okay, so
You can enlighten me.
the course has been sent to your mail, like videos.
Oh, okay.
Right? If you dropped your
Okay.
email, right? If you dropped your email in the group or you filled it in the form, the course has been sent
On the
to
group, right?
Yes. So if you have not seen it,
On
drop
the
your
group.
email and we will give you access.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'll do that right away now. Thank you.
All right. All right. Isaiah.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I've seen the mail. I've clicked and I went to thank for the process, but it's showing me Lex Ulo or access course. Do I proceed? And when I click on access course, I take me to where it's asking to process data analysis and rest. They have to go back to the email again, the same email to repeat the same process. But is there no way you can simplify this thing?
No, that's just the first time. Subsequently, if you want to enter, the course will be there. Just log into Selar, you see it there.
But do I need to create an account?
Yes, create an account. Then go back to your email
Okay,
and
now.
open it again. Do you understand?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Subsequently,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Do you understand?
All right, sir. No good. Thank you very much.
All right. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone. I'm still going to take questions, but in the absence of any question, we're going to end this class now. The full class is going to start on Tuesday. All the students are going to be live here with us. Some of them are in other classes right now that are clashing with this class. That's why we cannot do training. But I just want to quickly say that digital marketing is the act of getting more customers online, right? Using the digital channels. So we're going to be learning everything about how to get customers with Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, how to build landing pages, how to do search engine optimization, how to do how to use Google My Business, how to build. So there's a whole lot, affiliate marketing, how to use affiliate marketing to do a whole lot for yourself, right? So please and please, number one, don't come late to class. Do not come late to class. Yes, we're going to send recorded videos. Yes, there are videos already in the membership area. We are uploading more videos there too. Yes, all these things will help you learn. But if you can be live, the experience is amazing. You can ask me questions. I can even take my time to ask you to share your screen so that we can solve the problem you are facing. It is amazing. So you have to try to be here live. And it's going to hold by 8 p.m. on Tuesday and 8 p.m. on Wednesday, right? 8 p.m. Tuesday, 8 p.m. Wednesday. And that's how it's going to roll. So if you have any issues during the week, you can send me a DM or you can send Olawelt a DM. Any of the two of us would answer you very, very well, and you can get to understand everything you want to know. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone, and good night. Let me quickly attend to Mr. Benga again. I think you want to say something. You can unmute, quickly unmute.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I have a reservation as regards the timing. I want to crave your indulgence to we Muslim that actually pray. If you can give us a grace of like 5-10 minutes before the start of the day, so that we won't miss out. You know, we often have our prayer by 8. You know.
Okay.
7, yeah. So if you can give us a grace of 5 minutes,
If it's
that will be fine.
like 5 minutes after 8, it's fine.
Exactly. Yeah. Very good.
Okay, that's not a problem.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. And good night. Good night, everyone.